everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are going to be going through the LUSH spoilers and sneak peeks for the Easter range of 2026. I cannot quite believe we are sitting down and doing this video. Honestly, I feel like this year is going by already so quickly. Like, we are mid-Feb. Absolutely disgusting. Like, where has the year gone? Where did January go? I just feel like this year is going too quickly. I don't like it. It's making me feel uncomfortable. But yeah, we are going to have the most incredible time today going through these products because I have seen, I'm not gonna lie, I have seen a few teeny weeny little spoilers and I'm so excited. Like, this range, absolutely love it because a lot of it is really cutesy, like animal-esque. A lot of it will smell very sweet and like edible. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's always such a good range and I absolutely love it. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. One more thing as well before we dive into the video, I do just want to let you guys know and remind you that I do have a LUSH affiliate link, which is always in my description. I honestly don't ever expect you guys to use it, but I do want to give you guys the option because I do receive a tiny commission from everything you guys spend, but also you guys can get free products from using the link. Sometimes they have offers on, it just depends on the time. We've had free Snow Fairy, free Sticky Dates, free Lord of Misrule, we've had free Ultra Bland, like we've had a lot of free products. So if you guys haven't used it, make sure you do. It's always in my description. So with that being said, let's dive into the Easter products of 2026. I'm so excited, so let's go. Okay, so the first item we have is the Follow the White Rabbit Bath Bomb. This one, I have always loved it. It's a repeat from last year, maybe even the year before, and it's such a staple. We have had a few bath bombs very similar to the design of this one, where it's like a white bath bomb but the inside is basically a rainbow. They are so sweet and I'm a big fan of them. They're also not usually the most expensive, so I feel like you are getting a lot for your money with these ones. This one is going to be £4.50, and in terms of ingredients we have got popping candy, bergamot oil, boot shoe oil and Sicilian lemon oil. So I imagine this one's going to be very citrusy, very fresh. I'm all for it. I absolutely love the look of this one and just the design of it is just so cute. Oh my goodness, I did not see the spoiler for this one. I am so excited. No, I'm gonna have to buy a box. That's actually such a good idea. I feel emotional. That is going to be incredible. So the next item we have is the Swirly Sticky Dates Bubble Bath. It's basically the size of a comforter, so you can use it probably in like 4 to 6 baths. That's going to be amazing. That with a golden egg. Oh, someone try it. Someone who's not afraid of glitter, try that with a golden egg. Let me know the vibe because that sounds incredible. Price wise, this one is going to be £7.50, and in terms of ingredients it has things like cream of tartar, sandalwood, benzoin resinoid and gardenia extract. But essentially, if you haven't smelt Sticky Dates, firstly, what are you doing? Like, get up right now, run to your local LUSH and smell it. It's so delish. Like, if you love foodie gourmand smells, you will absolutely love this item. I feel emotional, I feel excited. I'm gonna have to get one of those. I wasn't even gonna like go out and buy much from the range, to be honest, because I am trying to use up a lot of my products, but I am slowly like building a collection, do you know what I mean? So it's becoming a nightmare. Anyway, I am gonna have to buy it. I'm gonna have to buy it. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, when I tell you I saw sneak peeks, by the way, I saw like the usual things. So I haven't seen anything that's brand new. That sounds absolutely phenomenal. Are you joking? Banoffee Pie Shower Gel. Banoffee Pie Shower Gel. You're joking. You are joking. That sounds incredible. Okay, so price wise, we have got a 105 gram bottle for £8. We also have a 295 gram bottle for £17, or a 590 gram bottle for £26. And ingredients, we have got things like fine sea salt, fresh banana, vanilla extract, tonka seed extract. We've also got labdanum resinoid, cornstarch, etc. That is, I feel emotional. That sounds insane. I fear it's going to smell like the mixture of the Minion shower gel with like Sticky Dates. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. I'm so excited. Okay, next up. The next item we have is another Sticky Dates product, which I fear is going to be an absolute staple, honestly. This is the Sticky Dates Glitter Body Spray. I am so excited about this one. I really do enjoy the glitter body sprays. I think they're so fun, and for like when you're going on holiday and stuff, I just think they're so, I don't know, they're just really really fun and different. I just really enjoy them, to be honest with you. Price wise, this one is going to be £18 and it's a 265 gram bottle. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things again like sea salt, we've got benzoyl resinoid, we've got sandalwood oil, carrageenan extract, but essentially it smells like caramel, like a caramelly biscuit. It's so good. I cannot wait to try that. Honestly, that sounds just phenomenal. The next bath bomb is so cute. This is the Munching Bunny Bath Bomb. Honestly, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love the colour. It's like a beautiful light lavender. I feel like this one is going to be perfect for people who want that experience of the really lovely like fizzing bath bomb, but they don't want too much going on. Do you know what I mean? In terms of price, it's only £3.50, so an absolute bargain. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things like lavender oil, we have got benzoyl resinoid, we have got tonka, we have got ylang ylang. Is it gonna smell like Twilight? Honestly, because lavender, tonka and vanilla is Twilight. I feel like it's gonna be a Twilight scent, but that's just me. I might be so wrong, but that sounds delish, so I'm very excited about that one, and he's so cute. The next item we have is a soap, and this is the Goose Gold, wait, that's not what it's called. The Goose's Golden Egg Soap, and this one is beautiful. It's like a pink bottom layer with a beautiful gold top piece. So nice. Price wise, this one is a £7.20 bar of soap, which is 120 grams. In terms of ingredients, this one has got maple syrup, we've also got rice bran oil, we've got bergamot oil, orange oil. I feel like this one is basically going to smell exactly the same as the Golden Egg Bath Bomb, which in my opinion smells like toffee, caramel, sweet smell. It's so good. It's not like sticky dates, it's a different smell in my opinion, but it's just a very similar smell. So if you like sticky dates and you like that really sweet, edible, like delicious fragrance, like you will love it. Honestly, it's so good. And that one's really nice. I feel like that one is really good as well because I love the smell of golden egg. If you guys can't tell, I'm a big foodie smell kind of girl, if you know what I mean, but I don't always love the glitter, so I feel like this is a nice product for people who want that scent but don't want the mess, you know. Next up we have a shower gummy. Now I feel like Lush are going to be releasing a lot of these shower gummies in the future because they have been popping up very frequently, but this one is adorable. This is the Sunny Side Up shower gummy. Obviously looks like an egg, so cute. Price wise, this one is £8, and in terms of ingredients, we have got things like carrageenan extract, orange oil, bergamot oil, lemongrass oil and fresh orange juice. That is going to be super fresh, very citrusy, very fruity. I'm all for it, to be honest, and it looks like an egg. Like, I love that. And to be honest with you, I feel like you could definitely just use that as like a hand soap, like in the bathroom, and imagine that in your kitchen. Like, so cute. I'm gonna have to get one just for that reason. Next up, I feel, is a returning product from what I can remember, and this is the Golden Egg shower gel. Again, very similar scent to Golden Egg. It's going to smell like toffee, caramel, absolutely delish. Price wise, this one is £8.50 for 125 grams. It's £18 for 300 grams, or it's £27 for 590 grams. Also, does anyone know, and this is so random, what the deal is with the different gram amounts? Is it because certain shower gels weigh more? That's probably what it is, I guess, because the bottles are always the same, so I presume it's that they weigh more. I don't know why I didn't just get that before that. Anyway, ingredients wise, in this one we have things like bergamot oil, orange oil, gardenia extract. Why can't I speak? But again, it's going to smell like toffee, so I'm all here for that one as well. The next item we have is a lip scrub, and this is the Rub and Custard lip scrub. This one is going to retail for £7.50, and in terms of ingredients, we have got orange oil, caster sugar, we've got passion fruit seed oil. This is going to be so delish. Like, you guys know this, like, I don't need any more lip scrubs. I think I mentioned it in a recent video, but I had to throw away so many of my old lip scrubs because they were like hella out of date. Like, when I say out of date, I mean like 5 years probably out of date, like very out of date. And it was really emotional because I just don't know why I saved them, because I knew they were going to go out of date. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, that is the next item. Very excited for that. The next item we have actually comes in 3 different colours. So this is the Baby Rainbow Carrot, and this year it only comes in 3 colours, which is yellow, orange and pink. I really do enjoy these, and I just really enjoy the smell. It's the like famous carrot scent. If you don't know, it doesn't smell like carrots, it's just the carrot scent, if you know what I mean. Price wise, these are £3.75 each, and in terms of ingredients, we have got things like bergamot oil, buchu oil, lemon oil, carrot powder. They are very nice, very fresh, almost fruity. Like, it's a very lovely scent. I don't really know how to describe it other than saying fruity, because it isn't like anything I've ever smelled before, to be honest with you, but I do really enjoy the scent, so I might have to get one of them. I do really like them, they're really good. The next item I believe is a brand new product, and this is the Big Dilemma Bath Bomb, and price wise this one is going to be £6.50, and ingredients wise we have got things like Sicilian lemon oil, lemon myrtle oil, lemongrass oil, we've also got benzoin resinoid, we've also got corn protein, we've also got cornstarch, we have also got, that's all. That's basically all of it. I love the look of this one. This one is so sweet. It reminds me of Chicken Little for some reason. Is that just me? Also, how emotional is this picture? Because it just looks like the little chick is drowning. Can you guys see that? That's so sad. But he's so cute. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to get one. He looks like a big one, maybe like quite weighty. I don't know. I wonder if there's anything inside. Who knows? But that one is so cute. Okay, so the next one, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, kind of low-key creeping me out. Like, why, firstly, are the eyes like that? Like, why his eyes are kind of freaking me out. I don't know which way he's looking, but yeah, not a fan of the face. However, this is the Chirpy Chick Bath Bomb, and I guess you can break it in half and use it in a few baths. This one is £5.50, and in terms of ingredients, it has got geranium oil, orange oil, bergamot oil, lavender oil, mandarin oil. This one's gonna smell really interesting. I feel like the mix of the fruits and the lavender is going to be really, really nice. And again, I feel like it's going to be beautiful. Like, there's no way that this isn't going to be a beautiful bath. However, I just don't know about his face. His face is giving me the creeps just a teeny tiny bit. Another gummy item. This is the Strawberry Picking Facial Gummy Wash. This one is going to retail for £5, and in terms of ingredients with this one, we have got things like carrageenan extract, strawberry juice, strawberry powder, lemon peel oil, and hoed oil. This sounds actually really, really delicious. I love strawberries. I love that kind of strawberry fragrance, but it's just really sweet and it looks really lovely, so I cannot wait to give that a try. Next up is another bath bomb, and this is the Easter Bunny Bath Bomb, and this one is going to be £10. So from what I'm guessing is this is going to be a relatively bigger bath bomb, but also by looking at the photos it looks like there is a little soap inside, which looks so cute and fun. I love the look of that one. That looks really, really interesting. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like grapefruit oil, lemon oil, and bergamot oil, and also carrageenan extract. I feel like this one is going to be really beautiful, really fresh, really citrusy. It's kind of giving like Avo bath vibes in the water, but yeah, I love the look of that. That looks really sweet. Then we have another returning product, and this product I am so glad they brought back, because this is probably one of the cutest shower jellies I've ever seen, apart from the frog, which I think was last year as well, so RIP to the frog if he's not coming back this year. But this is the turtle shower jelly, and it retails for £7.50, and scent wise this one has things like cinnamon bark oil, it has myrrh resinoid, it has petitgrain oil, it has neroli oil, apple juice. It's going to be delicious, and it was, from what I remember, really, really good when I smelt it last year, and he's just so cute, so I love the look of him as well. Okay, so the next item we have is a lip oil, and I have a feeling this came out last year. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think it came out last year. I'm not too sure if it was the same flavour, but we have had a lip oil before. So this is the Cookie Dough Lip Scrub, and it's going to retail for £6.50, and ingredients wise this one has got things like jojoba oil, sunflower wax, candelia wax. It's also got almond essential oil and vanilla extract. Just from looking at it, it looks really beautiful. I feel like the only thing with this is I don't love the twisty of it. I feel like if it was like a lip oil with like a little, what's the word, like a doe foot applicator, I suppose, like I would probably like it more if it was like that rather than something like this, do you know what I mean? But other than that, I think that sounds delish. The next item is another returning product, and we have seen this product many a time, and that is the Rockstar Rabbit Soap. This one of course smells like the classic Rockstar soap. It smells so sweet, so fresh, and very strong. To be honest with you, it is a very overpowering strong scent, but it's absolutely delicious. In terms of ingredients, this one has things like rapeseed oil and coconut oil, but a lot of the times with this one it won't really tell you what's in it because it's all to do with the perfume of the soap, so I don't know what else is in there. But other than coconut oil, oh, vanilla absolute, it also has that in there as well, so it's a very sweet smell, and it's a rabbit with a guitar. Like, what more could you want in a soap? It's so cute. The next item I would say is the staple for Lush Easter, and that is of course the Golden Egg Bath Bomb. This one is a bath bomb melt, so it has a very beautiful oily outside, and it makes the water incredibly moisturizing, but it's covered in glitter. Like, if you love a bit of glitter, you will love this one. In terms of price, this one is £6 and it has things like cocoa butter, bergamot oil, orange oil, gardenia extract, olive oil. It's basically a really hydrating bath bomb, but it has a very sweet caramelly kind of smell. It's so good, and I feel like there is a reason that we've been bringing this back for probably like 10 plus years now, and it is just because it's so good. Like, it's delicious. So those are all of the items that are being released for the Lush Easter range of 2026. Feels insane saying that, honestly. I feel like saying 2026. Gross. I do just want to say as well that Lush might release more items on the app at some point, but these are the items that are available now, and I really wanted to share them with you guys in case any of you wanted to do an order. If you haven't downloaded the app, by the way, make sure you do, because you get so much like exclusive access, you get early access, you get products. Like, it is a really good app to have, and I do recommend it. Like, I use it all the time, so I would really recommend it. And also, as I said, I do have an affiliate link. It is down below. I would really appreciate it if you guys would use it, but don't feel like you have to. But it is down below if you guys want to use it at any point. Right, so that is everything. I am gonna go. I'm gonna stop talking your ear off. We've been here for a while, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you guys love book content and you love Lush content with a few vlogs in between, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.